It's your girl, Miss Mika. Happy Turkey Day. Hey, thanks for being in my circle. Thanks for following me. Keep following. I love my kids. I thank God for them. I thank God for my father. And I thank God for all the people that are in my life on a day-to-day basis, making things happen for me. We got 2014 coming up. Stay tuned. It's your girl, Miss Mika. I got my music artist, Naima Salah, coming near you soon. Please keep following because she has a beautiful voice. And trust me when I say, you will sing her songs. So, it's your girl, Miss Mika. I'm still doing what I do, visually impaired makeup artist. I'm still going to school, doing things in the community, helping out. Stay tuned. I also have a upcoming fabulous Toys for Tots book drive fashion show. And it is called the Holiday Fashion Extravaganza. And I have beautiful designers. These people sit at their sewing machine. This is not something that they just go buy, pick out, and slap their name on it. They actually sit down and sew. So you want to come see some hot designs, couture, urban, and children wear? Come out December the 14th, Mark Square, 3550 Clarkston Industrial Boulevard, Suite H, Clarkston, Georgia, 30021. Or you can call me. Tickets are $10 in advance, $15 at the door. And for my VIP, $25. Now, you must bring a toy and a book. Yeah, I said it. A toy and a book, because it's all about the cause. We want to make sure that the kids that don't have a Christmas get one. And we want to make sure that the literacy program that will be started at Mark Square next year have the things that they need. So they need books. We need to teach our kids how to read, understand, and that way that they can continue to succeed and be successful in our community. Because I don't know about you, I'm getting old. I need to make sure that the kids growing up around me knows what to do, how to vote, how to keep going, and continue to have black presidents. That's right, it's your girl, Miss Mika. I am out. I just want to say, once again, thank you. Continue to follow. Again, Mark Squared, December the 14th. Doors open at 5. We have vendors in the building, so bring your cash flow. And if not, we take credit. Ching, ching. It's your girl, Miss Mika. Hit me up. Facebook, TOMICASAVOY. Google me, 404-397-8744. Or you can also email me, TOMICASAVOY@gmailbaby.com. Smooches, I'm out. Don't eat too much. I am.